Equiniti is a service provider in discharging very complex activities, predominantly for listed companies and managing share registers. Life before Workday was interesting. We acquired a business in the US from Wells Fargo, and we had to find a system of record for HR, for finance, and for payroll. So that led us into a managed process to establish what was the best in breed for those systems. And through that process, we identified Workday as being a clear and compelling leader because we just didn't have anything like the capability and the scale that we saw in anything else. And also that flexibility for delivery, which was key for us. So we got to a point where we needed to deploy HCM in 16 weeks and we needed to deploy finance in 12 weeks. And that's a pretty tall order for 450 people for a $120 million revenue business. And that was absolutely critical for us to get right. But we managed to do that. We kept it simple, we kept it structured, and that's given us the confidence to be able to move to the wider global deployment. Our experience of Workday in one key area relates to the way in which we manage people's time and we capitalise the costs associated with that time. We've come from a background and environment of where that's been complicated for us because we've used lots of microsystems and offline processes. And the benefit that we have with Workday is that the power of one, you can attach and clearly see what an individual is doing. You can record their effort, you can translate that into financial value, and you can make a choice through the business processes within Workday as to whether that effort is capitalised or expensed in the framework of a project. It's a complex service that we run, but we need to be dynamic and we need to have information provision that's contemporaneous and can allow us to cut through some very, very complex data sets. And that's where something like Workday can complement us because it can help translate that data and bring it back around and support our investment decisions for those complex business needs that we have and allow our IT team to be ruthlessly focused on the delivery and management of our platforms and support that digital advancement they need to keep us ahead and leading in a complex industry.